In this video, we're diving into the question that many entrepreneurs have on their mind. Is Inc. authority worth it? Forming an LLC is one of the first legal steps when starting a business, but the paperwork and filing fees can be confusing. Free formation services promise to make the process painless. But what's the catch? What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel we cut through the fluff to help you build your business the smart way. Today we'll explore how Inc. authority works, what you get for free, what costs extra, and how it stacks up against other options. Now, have you ever looked at the state's website and just felt overwhelmed by legal jargon and forms? If so, you're not alone. Many founders look to filing services for help. Inc. authority has been around for decades, offering to form your LLC for free, plus state fees. Inc. authority offers a free service with optional add-ons to customize your experience. Instead of fixed packages, users can choose upgrades a la carte, which are not highlighted on their homepage. So by the end of this video, you'll know what Inc. authority offers, how the process works, and whether it's the right choice for your business. Why form an LLC? Before diving into Inc. authority specifically, let's briefly discuss why you might want to form an LLC in the first place. A limited liability company is a business structure that separates your personal assets from your business liabilities. So this means that if your company faces lawsuits or debt, your personal finances are generally protected. LLCs also offer flexibility in taxation. By default, profits pass through to your personal tax return, but you can elect to be taxed as an S corporation for potential savings. Forming an LLC helps establish credibility with customers and partners, and it keeps your personal and business finances separate. However, the process can be intimidating if you've never done it before. Many entrepreneurs turn to formation services because they simplify the paperwork and ensure compliance with state requirements. These services provide peace of mind that your articles of organizations are filed correctly. They often include extras like registered agent services, EIN acquisition, and operating agreement templates. The challenge is that not all services are created equally. Some lure you in with a low headline price but upsell you at every step. Others provide basic filing but leave you on your own for compliance and additional paperwork. Knowing what you're paying for is essential. What is Inc. authority? Inc. authority is a business formation company founded in 1989. Its main selling point is that it'll form your LLC or a corporation for free. You only pay the state filing fee. Unlike many formation companies that charge a base fee, Inc. authority's business model relies on selling add-ons and subscription services. When you sign up for the free LLC formation, Inc. authority prepares and files your articles of organization with your state. It also provides a free year of registered agent service, someone who receives official documents and legal notices on your behalf. After the first year, the registered agent service renews automatically at a set annual fee. Inc. authority's free package includes an entity name check to ensure that your desired business name isn't already taken, and it offers digital document delivery. It also promises a business funding analysis, which is essentially a consultation about potential financing options. Importantly, Inc. authority offers EIN filing for free, which is one of its key differentiators, even though obtaining an EIN is also something you can do yourself through the IRS at no cost. The company also sells additional services such as operating agreements, S Corp election filing, legal document kits, minutes and resolutions for corporations, and credit building programs. The company's website is straightforward. You enter your state, provide information about your company, and select your desired services. However, as you proceed through the checkout, you'll encounter upsell offers for everything from business credit coaching to website design. Now, some users appreciate being able to add services a la carte, while others find the upselling a bit too aggressive. To decide whether Inc. authority is worth it, we'll explore what's free, what costs extra, and how those extras compare to doing it yourself or using other providers. What you get for free. Inc. authority's basic free LLC formation package includes several valuable elements. Preparation and filing of articles of organization. Inc. authority completes the state-required paperwork and files it on your behalf. You still pay the state filing fee, which can range from about $50 to over $300 depending on your state. 1 year of registered agent service. So a registered agent is required by law to receive legal documents and state correspondence. Inc. Authority provides this service for free for the first year. You must designate a physical address in your state, and the service ensures that you don't have to use your home address. Business name availability check. Inc. Authority ensures that your desired business name is available by checking the state's database. If the name is taken, they help you choose an alternative. Digital delivery and storage of formation documents. Once your LLC is approved, you receive digital copies of your documents. Inc. Authority stores these documents in your online account, so you can download them anytime. Consultation on business funding. The company offers a free consultation to discuss funding options for your business. This may involve connecting you with lenders or advising on credit building strategies. EIN, Employer Identification Number filing. Inc. Authority offers EIN filing for free, which is a major differentiator compared to many other formation services that charge for this step. An EIN is necessary for opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and filing taxes. These features cover the basics of getting your LLC up and running. If you were to file on your own, you'd still need to pay the state fee and designate a registered agent. Having that first year of registered agent service included is a nice bonus, though you need to consider the renewal cost after the first year. Paid extras and upsells. Inc. Authority's free package is just the beginning. As you go through the sign-up process, you'll see numerous additional services, some of which are essential and others that are definitely optional. So let's break down some of the most common upsells and their costs. EIN Filing Service. Inc. Authority offers to obtain an employer identification number from the IRS on your behalf. An EIN is necessary for opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and filing taxes. Again, this is worth noting that Inc. Authority offers EIN filing for free, which is one of its main differentiators. Also, obtaining an EIN is free if you do it yourself through the IRS website. But some people really value the convenience of having it handled as part of the formation process, while others might prefer to do it themselves since it's a relatively straightforward form. Operating agreement. An operating agreement outlines how your LLC will be managed, including each member's rights and responsibilities. Some states require an operating agreement, and even if yours doesn't, having one is a good idea to prevent disputes. Inc. Authority sells an operating agreement template as an add-on. The template may be helpful if you don't want to draft one from scratch, but you can also find templates online or hire an attorney for a custom agreement. S Corp election filing. If you want your LLC to be taxed as an S corporation, you need to file Form 2553 with the IRS. Inc. Authority offers a service to prepare and file this form for you. Again, this is something that you can do yourself, but some entrepreneurs just prefer to have the professionals handle the paperwork. The benefit of an S Corp election is potential tax savings on self-employment taxes. The cost of this service to Inc. Authority is typically modest compared to the potential savings. Legal document kits and templates. Inc. Authority sells kits that include sample corporate bylaws, minutes and resolutions, and other legal documents. These can be useful if you're forming a corporation or if your state requires certain documents for LLCs. If you need customized documents, then it may be better to consult with an attorney. Many of the templates in these kits are generic and might not cover specific nuances of your business. Business credit and funding services. One of Inc. Authority's signature upsells is its business credit and funding services. These services claim to help you build business credit, obtain loans, and secure lines of credit. They often include consultations, coaching, and connections to lenders. While building business credit is important, you can take many steps on your own, such as opening accounts with vendors that report to business credit bureaus and paying bills on time. The value of these services depends on how much guidance you need and whether you're comfortable seeking funding without a coach. Website and marketing services. Inc. Authority also offers packages for website building, logo design, and marketing. These services are common upsells among formation companies. They may be convenient if you want to handle everything in one place, but it's worth comparing prices and quality with dedicated web design and marketing agencies. Many new businesses use website builders like Wix or WordPress to save money. Auto-renewing registered agent service. After your first year, the free registered agent service typically renews around the $190 per year range, though pricing can vary. Inc. Authority lists the yearly renewal fee at the checkout page, and it's also shown in the shopping cart during checkout, often alongside a crossed out value to highlight the first year savings. If you don't want to continue with Inc. Authorities as your registered agent, you'll need to switch to another provider before the renewal. Remember, every LLC must have a registered agent, so you'll need someone to take on that role. Pros of using Inc. Authority. All right, now there are several reasons why entrepreneurs choose Inc. Authority for their LLC formation. Free formation. Not having to pay a service fee to prepare and file your articles of organization is super appealing. You only pay the state fee, which you would pay regardless of the service you use. Experience. So experience can translate to fewer mistakes and smoother processing. Registered agent included. The first year of registered agent service is included, which saves you money initially and ensures that you comply with state requirements. Additional business services. If you want a one-stop shop, Inc. Authority offers everything from credit coaching to website design. So this can save you time if you prefer to just handle multiple tasks through one provider. User-friendly process. The online form is straightforward and customer support is available to answer questions. A lot of users report that the process is quick and that they receive their documents faster than they expected. Cons and caveats. While the free formation is attractive, there are some downsides to consider. Upselling. Inc. Authority's business model relies on selling additional services. As you complete the form, you'll encounter a series of upsell offers. Some users find the number of options overwhelming. If you're not careful, you could end up paying for services you don't need. Pricing transparency. Inc. Authority displays the yearly registered agent renewal fee during checkout, including in the card. But it's important to read the terms carefully and ask questions if prices aren't clear. Limited support hours. Reviews highlight that Inc. Authority's live US-based support, available weekdays from 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Pacific, which can be inconvenient if you need help outside of those times. But that is really just nitpicking. Auto-renew fees. The registered agent service and some other subscriptions renew automatically, sometimes at higher rates than expected. If you don't cancel the renewal, you'll be charged. Do-it-yourself options. Many of the services Inc. Authority offers can be done on your own for free or at a lower cost. For example, obtaining an EIN or filing an S corporation election can be done directly through government websites. Now, if you want to get started with Inc. Authority, we've got that link for you down in the description below. Just click on that link, it'll bring you to this page right here where you can register your free LLC today. So is Inc. Authority worth it? Well, the answer depends on your needs and how comfortable you are handling tasks yourself. Inc. Authority offers a legitimate free formation service with a year of registered agent service included. It also offers EIN filing for free, which is one of its main differentiators. If you're on a tight budget and you want someone else to handle the paperwork, it's a great option. However, be prepared for upsells at every turn. Carefully evaluate each add-on and decide whether you can do it yourself for free or at a lowest cost. The biggest potential downsides are the auto-renewing services and the lack of transparency around pricing for some certain add-ons. If you do choose Inc. Authority, just mark your calendar and reassess your registered agent before it renews. Read the fine print on every service and stay on top of compliance requirements. If you prefer a more hands-off approach with fewer upsells and more transparent pricing, consider some alternative providers like Zen Business or InkFile. In the end, forming an LLC is about protecting your personal assets and setting your business up for success. So whether you use Inc. Authority or another service, make sure you understand what you're getting and how much it'll cost. So if you want to get started with Inc. Authority, we'll leave that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.